So the box is pretty small, not much to it. Just kind of shows you what the wallet is. I got the saddle brown just because I love their saddle brown. I love the way it ages as well. But let's just pull, and there it is. I love how they do that, like that little pop sound. But yeah, there it is. Let's take a look at what else is in here. Just like a little instruction. No stickers. Looks like it's just talking about magnets in all the different languages and medical device interference. So there's that. Let's put this box away. And so you got the nice Apple logo right there. Turn it around, you got your little thumb finger area to push it up, and that is it. So let's just pull this out. That's cool. It's pretty thick, I guess, just to show you how many cards you can kind of get in there. And there's this right here, and I think what that is there's like a little clip of something. Let's see if you guys can hear that. That actually holds the cards in, so that's why it doesn't matter how many cards you put in there, up to what it can hold at least, it will keep them in. I only have 2 cards with me right now. Got my Apple card, so I pop that in there and slide it up, slide it down real good, and then it will, so it loses it a little bit, but I mean, you really got to shake it to get it out of there. So that's with one card. I also have my license, so I'm just going to throw that in there as well. Let's put both of them in. See how well that works. So now it's not coming out anywhere near as easy. Pop it out. Pop that one out. Pop them both back in. Works pretty well. So now let's attach it to the back of the phone and try it out. So here is my iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue. So the way it works is you just kind of slide it, boom, magnets galore. Holds on pretty good. Looks great. Let's check out the animation thing that it does. You just pop it on. There you go. So I mean, it seems pretty good. I think the main issues that a lot of YouTubers and early reviews have had has been like the circle part is pretty strong. That part, that little 2 magnets or whatever they have right there, that's where you're going to kind of lose it. But we'll try it for 24 hours and see how it goes. Okay, so I've been using this thing for just under 24 hours now, and I gotta say I love this thing. It's great. Like, I honestly think the problem with the other YouTubers is that they wear skinny jeans. Let's be honest. The ones that I've seen so far have been mainly MKBHDs. I heard Austin Evans did like a quick little video on it. And then there was also maybe CNET Review or somebody posted, and you know, they always do this clip where they're sliding it into their pocket, like they just put the top half in and then they slide it right in there and the wallet falls right off. I don't put my phone in, so maybe I could, you know, use a Steve Jobs quote and say they're, you know, rather than that they're holding it wrong, they're putting it in their pocket wrong. But I mean, like I said in the unboxing, is, you know, there's 2 magnets right here. So this right here is a little bit of an issue, how it moves back and forth. And I think they could easily fix that with the next version, maybe put a line of magnets. But I don't know if they'll do that because they're Apple. And it goes back to Steve Jobs, well, really Steve Jobs' dad. And he always talked about how, you know, you got to make it look beautiful on the inside and out stuff. You know, you can't just paint, like, I think one side of the fence, you want to paint the back side as well, type thing. And Steve took that to heart. And I believe that's where it continues. It continues on. And when Apple designed this, they were thinking about the clear case and how they were going to get the clear case to look good. So they did the ring, which looks great, but I mean, it's going to take other manufacturers a while to get that ring of magnets, because magnets don't normally come in a ring. And then also They just went with those two just so it was a little less. If they have a whole row, because I mean honestly, they could make this thing work way better by just putting a square round of magnets all around this thing, and you know, same thing with the puck. Make it this big magnet, boom, 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 and it would work awesome, and it would hold like crazy. But it's Apple, they gotta make it look good, so that's what they did, and I am fine with it. Like, I'm not having any problems with this. I went to the store, had it in my pocket. When I went to check out, I was able to just easily just pull it right off while the phone was still in my pocket, and then pop it right back on, no issues. So, you know, I love it. Like I said, I really think that the issue is skinny jeans. If you wear skinny jeans or your jeans are really tight, don't buy this. It's not going to work. If you really have to just slide your phone in your pocket, adding any kind of bulk to it that is held on by magnets will not work. But, I mean, if you hold on to your phone as you're putting it in your pocket, and you hold on to your phone as you're pulling it, meaning that your hand can actually go in your pocket, you're going to be good. This thing's awesome. I love it. And I found, you know, the best place to put it when I'm not using it is just pop it right on the fridge. It's great. My fridge is just right by the side door, and I'm able to just plop it right there when I come in, and I don't need it for a while, and just pull it right off when I come out and I go out to go somewhere. So it's great. You know, I for one approve this thing. Yes, I'm biased. Take it what you want, but I love it. This thing's not going anywhere. I got the iPhone 12 mini coming. Can't wait to put this on there because I think it will be even better, because then it's like more flush. Now the 12 Pro with this on there looks a little weird. I leave that up to you guys that want the 12 Pro. I think the 12 Pro is just way too huge. But that's you guys. You do you. So this is just a quick, you know, first impressions, 24 hours. If you want to see me cover more with it, maybe show it aging over time, something like that, let me know. I'm happy to do that. Leave a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up if you like this. Like I said, everybody else is wrong. This thing's amazing. I love it. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.